Hey guys, this is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini, Oil, and Euro video recap for August 14th, 2012. A very, very uneventful day once again today. The market was basically unchanged, the S&P and the Dow. This morning we got a report on a good retail sales number. The PPI was a little bit weaker. We saw the high within the first hour. So, is this the final flag top that we've been talking about for a while? 1409.5. We have targets at the May highs of 1411.75, then the March highs of 1419.75. So we're going up, higher highs, higher lows, but we're going up with light volume. We're also not going up with too much conviction. Let's look at the 12-minute chart. Let me make sure I'm in the right time frame. So basically, we opened up this morning. Got the high within the first hour, 1407.75. I was actually talking about shorting. If we close on the low of this bar, I was going to short this with a stop above the high. We got the high within the first hour. Then it was, a little bit of sideways momentum. Then we've tested to the downside. Low of the day, 1397.25. High of the day, 1407.75. So a 10.5-point range, and for a while we were having about a 6-point range. So we did extend that a little bit. Right when we broke through 1400, I was actually going to try to sell this at 1400. I didn't get filled, and then we broke to the downside for about 3 points. Then we broke right back up, closing around this 1400 level. I got whipped around a little bit today in oil. I traded oil on the 5, and there was just a couple signals which I took that were traps. So I actually got short. So we opened up this morning in oil. Let me bring this over a little bit. We opened at 93.42. We got the high within the first hour, just like we did in the minis, 93.92. I don't take trades unless it's the cloud. So we got into this area here. I actually sold. We got down here. We came back up. I sold. Let me think where it was. I think it was right here at 93.20. I had to stop at 93.45. So I sold 93.20s, got into the cloud, went back down. I took it off somewhere around here, around 93.30. Then I actually reversed and I went long. I didn't like the way it was performing. The market was selling off. I got out at 93.20. So a couple small losers in oil. If you look at the way oil traded today, we had a sell signal here, trap, buy setup here, trap, sell signal, trap, buy setup, trap. So that's 5 traps. Oil trades very well when it's trending, not when it's trading. Today is a trading range day in oil. So I'm glad to be out for just a small loser. Look at oil on the daily chart. And it's not bringing up. Let's look at euro real quick. And I continue to be short the euro. In the euro, 124, I'll look to sell it, but a stop at 124.5. Right now, we're trading 123.20. Once again, many overlapping bars, not much conviction either way in oil. One earnings play that I want to talk about is JDSU, just don't sell us. JDS Uniphase had earnings that it came out with after the bell. I bought the 11, 12, 13 call fly for 18 cents. This was a 5 on my confidence scale, which means I was risking less than 0.5% of my book. But I thought it was a good trade, or a good risk versus reward trade. I paid 18 cents for the 11, 12, 13 call fly. Bought the 11s, bought the 13s, sold twice as many of the 12s, did this for 18 cents. And I can make 82, so I can make 4.5 times my money, so I thought it was a good risk versus reward. We'll see how it pans out tomorrow. I'll look to take off half of it for a double, and then I will look to let the other half ride for expiration. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. I hope you guys enjoyed that. We have a free webinar on Thursday, intraday at 12:30. We'll be talking about how to close option positions on expiration. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys in the webinar.